Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about one of the HGH peptide called Sermorelin. Sermorelin is a growth hormone releasing hormone peptide. It consists of 29 amino acids naturally occurring in brain's hypothalamus. It is GHRH that helps stimulate the natural growth hormone production from pituitary. As we age, the growth hormone releasing hormone declines, causing the decline in human growth hormone. So Sermorelin helps push that up. It also increases the synthesis of insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, in the liver. Some of the benefits of Sermorelin are it improves the production of growth hormone, so gives you all the benefits of human growth hormone, and it improves it naturally. It improves your overall metabolism, lowers the body fat percentage, and improves your lean muscle mass. Sermorelin also improves your quality of sleep, which in turn improves your energy the next day and also improves your recovery. You also build muscle when you get quality sleep at night. Your muscle repairs at night, improves your sex drive, improves wound healing and overall healing process in the body by lowering inflammation. It improves bone strength and it improves your muscle strength and endurance, so perfect for performance athletes. So Sermorelin, being a generalized HGH peptide, has a lot of benefits and with very less side effect. If you have more question about Sermorelin, subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up.